Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be testing out the calligraphy kit I got at Five and Below. So hopefully this goes well. I'm pretty excited, so here we go. Okay, so here is the calligraphy kit and I am very excited to open it. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, so we have the book here. That'll probably, yep, all of the everything, all of the instructions and stuff. Okie dokie. We have the, we have some of the nibs and the pen. There we go. Already has a nib in it. Oh. So is this how we change? I don't know how we change the... Are there instructions? Instructions on how to use this thing, which would be really nice. This just says an introduction to calligraphy. How about you show me how to use this pen? No. Okay, so there are no instructions on how to use this, I guess? Oh, I get it. No, okay, so they all, okay. In order to change the little nib thing, all you have to do is just screw it on there. They all just screw on. Okay, alright, well that made that easy. Guess it would help if I, pay attention a little bit more. That would be helpful. Alright, now what about these little inks is a good question. I don't know. Get the box. Well, this isn't very helpful at all. I don't obviously want to break it either. This is going so well. Alright, well let me at least get one of these little ink cartridges out. I'm gonna grab, I'm assuming this is just black. Okay. Now what? I might have an idea. Okay, so I don't know if this is it, but I'm gonna try it. There's this little, there's this little pointy thing that it looks like this could fit into. I don't know, and I'm scared because I don't want to break anything. Okay, I'm gonna be back once I figured this out. Okay, so I'm back. So it looks like I was on the right track. I just didn't push in hard enough. Apparently this ink is supposed to line up with the little thing that's in there. I just can't seem to get it. I don't want to break anything. Oh, I got it! Sorry, got excited. Alright, so that took absolutely forever. But yes, it's just supposed to pop in there like it showed. And then I'm guessing we're supposed to just write with this? Now, I did do calligraphy in high school, as I have said before, but we're just gonna practice and see if this works. Okay, am I missing something? I put the ink in and nothing is coming out. Was there more I was supposed to do? This is not going well at all. Okay, I'll be back again. Okay, so I'm back, and the most I could do, because the ink doesn't look like it's coming out of the pen like it's supposed to. The most I did was use the ink cartridge, tap it on the paper, and then almost use it like a little ink pool. And then that's how I've been able to draw letters so far. So that's what I've been doing. The thing is, I don't know how long this is going to last. And I don't think the ink is coming out of the pen like it's supposed to. Like the ink from the cartridge, I just don't think it's coming out at all. Like on its own. Like I said, this is me just using it almost like an ink pool. So I don't know how long this will last. But what I am doing seems pretty fun. This is almost like what I did in high school. It's really fun to practice letters again. Like, actually though, this is really cool. So this is really neat. If the ink is coming out of the cartridge like it's supposed to, like I can't tell if this is still the ink from the pool or maybe it finally did come out of the cartridge. Sorry, I am having a lot of fun here. This is so cool. I miss this. I definitely miss doing calligraphy in school. See? There it goes. The ink is not coming out of the pen like it's supposed to. And it just really annoys me. Because this is really, really cool. That's honestly the best I can do is just tap it on the paper so it pulls out and then almost use it like a little inkwell. And that's not what I want to do. I want it to work. This is so cool and a lot of fun, and I really want it to work because... Okay, so I pretty much have been messing around with this, and in all honesty, I think this is really, really cool. The pens seem to write nicely. You know, the book is very helpful. There are different sized other pen tops. There are different colored inks, and maybe some of those will work better, but my only complaint is that the ink is not coming out of the pen like it's supposed to. Like, the ink cartridge is supposed to take care of the ink coming out, and it's not. The only way I can do it is if I, like, take the ink cartridge out, plop a whole bunch onto my paper like this, and then almost use it as a little inkwell to keep ink on my pen. Although it does seem to last pretty well, so I guess that's not too bad, but it's just not what it's supposed to do. So that does kind of stink about that, but I am still pretty happy with it because I can use it to do calligraphy. I will just have to, like, open these up and maybe swish some out onto like a paper plate or like something like that to use basically as a little ink jar. So that's alright, I guess. I am pretty happy with it. I give this a thumbs up. Just the little extra task that is caused because the ink cartridges, or at least this black one doesn't want to have any of the ink come out. So I give it a thumbs up. I am overall pretty happy with it. I can still write some calligraphy, which is really nice. So there you go. That's that. So that is how that went. A little disappointed that the ink, at least that ink cartridge, didn't work. Like, just, it didn't flow out of the pen. But overall, you know what? I'm pretty happy with it. I'm able to do calligraphy again, so I think I can make it work. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!